Alright, I just thought I'd do this wee video here. I got some new camera equipment, and while I was at it, I just want to show you inside this wee cabin. I'll bring you in here. That's the outside. I usually use that in the summertime. I just have it all chairs and stuff in there at the minute. These doors here open, so you can sit out here and come inside just. But I'll bring you inside and show you. So I have a wee log burn stove here, and as I say, them doors open out onto that wee patio, and just a wee simple kitchen. And in there's a wee bedroom, but there's a load of stuff in there from the attic and stuff from we moved out here. So I've just got this new GoPro 9 here. I won't open it, and then I have what I use is just an Acer laptop and that wee drone, DJI Mini, the Maverick Mini, and just that wee simple tripod and a couple of wee accessory. I bought like a wee kit off eBay, just all wee accessories. So I just got this new GoPro 9 here. I opened it up myself, just I haven't turned it on, or I haven't recorded anything on it or anything yet. So this is just how it comes in this wee handy bag here. We get a wee thing for having the camera on. So I want to get the medium mod as well, so I can get better sound. And it comes with 2 batteries. A couple of wee bits. Just wee sticky bits and wee holders, wee things to hold the camera on. So you can put them on the you can put it on this and on tripods and stuff. It's a wee bit stiff because it's new. I like it so you can see yourself in the camera here. So it'll make it handier for me when I'm recording or anything. So hopefully I'll be able to do some better videos for you in the near future. So I'll turn it on here. There's no SD card in it at the minute. So you can see yourself in the camera. That's what I liked about it. And hopefully the sound's a bit better. I say I'm going to get the media mod note to get better sound. And then you can plug wee microphones and stuff in it. So I'll take the SIM card out of this one and stick it in this and start recording on this to see what it's like. I'll turn this off first. Alright, so that's that new GoPro Hero 9. This is the camera that I have been using. The GoPro 7. I think it's the white one. Yeah, GoPro Hero white. This wee camera's been dead on. Just the only thing is with you can't put extra batteries in it, so I would have to charge it up. and then some of the times the battery would run out on me when I was trying to record something, so I couldn't capture some footage or anything. Yeah, and I don't think I'm getting the sound right, so I'm hoping, as I say, to get the media mod and get a few microphones plugged into it to help me capture better sound. So this wee camera was good enough to start off with. Yeah, just put it back in the wee holder there. Yeah, so hopefully, as I say, I can capture better footage for you. Yeah, a few good projects coming up. Yeah, so hopefully I can start doing a better job of recording and stuff. I'm starting to get the hang of it a wee bit, I think. Yeah, it takes a wee while to get the hang of what shots to do, and in the near future hopefully I can get some better content coming out to you. Yeah, I say I'm just using that wee Acer laptop. Yeah, that's my wee bag to hold everything in. Yeah. Alright, I had to go and open that door there. Getting too warm in here with that fire. So hopefully I can get some better footage for you in the future. It's just a wee quick video on talking about new camera equipment and the stuff I use for recording YouTube videos. Hopefully the channel grows a wee bit more and get better footage for you. And if you've made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thanks.